Okay, what do we got? Okay, all right. This one's looking decent too. Not record breaking. Oh, what is that? What is that? Dude, a Remora? Dude, that sucks. You alive? Bummer. That's crazy. What is a Remora doing here? So this fish right here, if I can get it out, these are pretty interesting. I think he's a goner. He's a goner, but I'll show you what they do. So these fish, this is a Remora. These fish here, this little pad on the top of his head, right there, that is like a suction cup. So what they do is they attach themselves onto bigger animals. So like cobia, sharks, manatees, whales, whatever. They use this pad and they suck on, and they use the larger fish that they're attached to as protection. And then when they're eating their food or whatever, little bits and pieces that come off, this fish will take advantage, eat the little bits and pieces that come off. But they basically suck on like that. I wish I could show you a little bit better, but yeah, that's how they work. A Remora. Whoa, whoa. Well, yeah, you got torn up. See you later. We'll let the blue crabs take care of him.